Hello friends. For intraday trading today, I have selected Eiser Motor. So let us discuss the reason why Eiser Motor was pegged and what kind of trade I have taken in this stock today. So let's move to our usual video. Very first reason that I look always in any stock for trading is that who is dominating as of now in that particular stock, or who is controlling the price of that stock. So in Eiser Motor I found till yesterday it was dominated by sellers. Price was coming down, making lower lows and higher lower highs. If you can see, yes. Yes, from here, price has created a head and shoulders kind of pattern and again moved to up, and again here head and shoulders pattern was found, and that forced price to go down. Price again created this low was broken, again came in this particular demand zone over here. So again here a very nice pattern was formed, and that pattern has given me a clue that price today will move in upward direction. So first reason for selecting this stock in my trading list is its dominating pressure is changed yesterday. So till yesterday it was selling that is getting dominated by the sellers, and till yesterday uh, momentum was shifted from sellers to buyer. So how that momentum was shifted, and what are the points or what are the patterns that price has created, and that gave me a clue or indication that now the momentum has been shifted from selling to buying. So as I always say that, or it is a movement of price that I have told you, price always move in two phase only, trending sideways, and based on these two phases of price movement, there is only two kind of price pattern. The very first price pattern is reversal and second is continuation. So yesterday when the momentum was shifted from selling to buying, so we can expect a price pattern that is a reversal kind of price pattern that we should get, so that we can confirm that yes, the momentum has been shifted from selling to buying, and that has been indicated by price known as cup and handle. I will draw and show you in front of you, so you can have a very clear idea how this pattern looks like. So this is the cup. Okay, so this is its holder. Now why I have not taken any trade in this stock yesterday? I have got the signal that momentum has been shifted, but still I have not traded. Why? Because the completion of this particular setup has taken too much time, and it is around more than more than time has passed, more than 1:30. Yes, so very less time was left to extend the kind of momentum that has been generated. So I was waiting, as soon as the price will close above this resistance area, then I will make my position and ride till here. So that is what happened today. First reason is that it's dominating the change in its dominating pressure with a very strong and a convincing reversal pattern, that is cup and handle. You can search this pattern on the Google, you will get a very clear idea that how accurate is this pattern on a price chart. So these two confirmation, along with this I got very first candle that was closed much above this resistance level. Let me draw this resistance level so you will have a clearer picture in your mind. Okay, this is the level that I am talking about. Here I got yesterday, I got signal that I should go for long in this trade, but no. Very near a strong resistance zone is existing. So taking care of this resistance in my mind, I avoided trading in this stock because also there was one more reason, the very less time was left, and I was started waiting, let the price come and close above this resistance area, and after that I will take the trade. And that is what happened in the morning. As soon as the high of this candle 247490 was broken, I have made my position. And one more confident or one more confirmation was provided by the market today is that price was able to maintain itself above this resistance zone. Price has came, retested, and again the buyers came in the picture and moved the price in the upward directions. And I have taken trade on 2475 was my entry price with the stop loss 2465. Only 10 rupees I have taken the stop loss, and against 10 rupees I have booked my profit on 2505. So very in this candle, after very yes, in this candle 1035 candle, I exited from the trade by booking 1:3 risk reward ratio. So I have told you why I have selected Eicher Motor. Three reasons very clear. First reason is shifting of momentum or the dominating pressure from selling to buying with the help of cup and handle pattern. That is a very new that I am telling you. It is a very old pattern, but I am telling you very first time. So cup and handle pattern is a reversal pattern. So two confirmation, along with that market is in green today. So that was also provided by the market. So all the signals are aligned with each other. So that gave me a kind of indication or confirmation that I should go for long. Yes, yesterday also I have got many more confirmation, but the trade was in red. But today the same thing happened, but what my practice, what my skill has told me, stick to your plan. And this is the learning lesson. Stick to your study, trust your system, trust on your study, your analysis, and most important thing, self-belief is the most rewarding actually aspect in this market. So these all things you should have, and this will come to you as you move as you move, as you start your journey in the trading career. So this is all about today's trade plan. Thank you guys. Keep watching, keep trading, keep learning, because learning is the most important thing that will keep you in the market forever, whether you lose or whether you win. So in both the scenario, it is your learning that is the only assets that will never that is never going to dry, and it will always increase if you regularly deposit your time into learning. So that's all about today's trading, friend. Thank you. Bye.